right around 70 miles per hour. Right now it looks like wind gusts have decreased within this system, but still 60 mile per hour wind gusts are enough to cause damage across the region. We still have a few severe thunderstorm warnings to talk about. They are in place for portions of Fountain, Montgomery, Boone, Clinton, Hendricks, and Montgomery County. This easternmost warning is set to expire by the time we hit 4:45. Yet again, the main concern going to be those strong damaging winds up to 60 miles per hour. But also because of how tall these thunderstorms clouds are growing in the atmosphere, there is going to be the potential for hail embedded within the stronger portions of this storm as well. This system continuing to develop, another threat of heavy rain across the region. This secondary line moving off to the southeast right around 60 miles per hour. It's going to bring more in the way of heavy downpours to western sections of the Indy Metro, Greencastle, and then likely over towards Bloomington. Another round of heavy rain is going to be possible. We still have this overall severe thunderstorm watch set to remain in place until 5 o'clock this evening, but notice National Weather Service is already starting to drop a few additional counties from it, including the city of Muncie and over towards Newcastle as well. As we talked about, this has been a very hefty system that we have been dealing with. Several storm reports across the region, reports of flooding, strong winds, hail, lightning strikes, and then of course those thunderstorm wind damage reports as well. One of the more notable ones was over in Lawton Avenue and State Avenue, that intersection in Indianapolis. We had a report of a downed tree actually falling on top of a car, it looked like. That report coming in a little bit closer to the 2:30 hour this afternoon. And then earlier this morning, we had that first round of heavy rain and gusty winds, and actually a report of a funnel cloud being spotted by one of the emergency managers just east of the city of Portland. Again, hefty rainfall totals, especially to the east and northeastern sections of the state. Over in Muncie, already above 1.5 inches of rain. We are at 1.1 inches of rain over towards Richmond at the present time. And with more rain on the way, there is still going to be the concern of flooding across the region. We have this widespread flood watch that will expire by the time we hit midnight. Temperatures where that rain has actively fallen are a lot cooler. 67 degrees in Muncie and Peru, 72 at the airport in Indianapolis, and we're at 89 degrees over in Terre Haute. Even though we are trending a little bit cooler for areas along and north of I-70, that humidity is still lingering across the region. Futurecast is still going to show the chance for a few additional scattered showers and thunderstorms developing. I do think as we go throughout the rest of the evening. Unfortunately, our computer model's really not that good at picking up on some of the smaller scale features that we are going to be dealing with, but I want to show you this because it does do a good job of showing the additional round of showers and storms that yet again we are going to have to deal with as we move into our Wednesday afternoon and evening. Another chance for strong to severe storms across cities like Indianapolis, Bloomington, and Terre Haute. This time that level 2 risk really for central and southwestern sections of our region. Yet again looking at the chance for those heavy downpours and strong damaging winds. Overnight tonight, we're down to 70 for our overnight low. Still a couple of isolated strong wind gusts possible within these storms. Tomorrow we will be a little bit cooler, 86 for that forecasted high, but still daily chances for rain setting up across the region. Originally, we were thinking that we were going to get some relief from the humidity on Friday. Unfortunately, because of the rainfall looking a little bit more widespread, it looks like we're going to have to wait a few more days. I do think it's going to arrive, however, as we get into early next week. Dry conditions in the forecast for Tuesday.